miss it.
I don't know what you're saying.
He missed his Cat in the Hat.
Oh, last night?
Yeah.
But we watched the whole movie.
Oh.
What should I call it? Just painting?
No, it's called Dancers. Don't you see the dancing, guys?
Yeah.
I miss cat
No,
hat.
the actual name of the painting is Night Dancing.
Daddy, I miss a cat hat.
No, you didn't. You watched the whole thing last night.
Oh no.
Remember we had popcorn and we watched the whole thing?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
And I miss it.
No, you didn't miss it. You saw the whole thing.
I miss it. And I go sleep.
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Good boy. Did you sleep the whole night?
Yeah.
Do you remember crying when Daddy wanted to give you milk?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. That's good to know you remember crying. Okay.
Good.
Can I go now?
No.
Come on, I need to go.
Yes.
Can we go upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I need
Because you can call me on my...
cell phone.
Let's go.
No, I want to do this.
Do what? I better put this in. No, we have to go upstairs. Michelle, are you downstairs for a bit? Okay. Oops.
What do it? What Nini? I do it. What Nini?
This is called a night dancer. Night dancer. How much will you sell it for?
50.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Custom painting. Then put me up too. Put me up. Husband for sale. $5. We'll do anything requested
No, you won't.
by the right buyer.
No, you won't.
Why? I will.
No, you won't.
For $5 I will.
No, you won't.
Is Layla sleeping still?
Yeah. She didn't have her medicine.
She didn't drink it?
No, you can't just leave it there.
We had a big fight, that's why.
Play-Doh. That's mine?
Yeah, it's yours, but later.
Oh.
Okay? Let's look at this. Oh my goodness, look at all the snow outside. And where's the water coming from?
No.
Is it already melting?
There, water there, water there, and water there, water there, water there.
Where's all the water come from?
No.
It's rain today.
Rain.
Man, it snowed and then it's already melting. Because the weather is like, I think, plus degree, right? Plus 3 today.
Fifty.
+3.
Yeah. Wait, I mean, how much? Why this up?
Huh?
Why this up this?
What questions this guy?
Why this up this?
Why is the headphones up here?
No.
You're just like mommy, eh?
Oh no.
Why is this here? Why is it there? Why don't you put it away? Huh? No. I have to go get gas, so I'll just get coffee.
I mean, have my iPad charger. There.
No iPad today.
Oh.
Okay? Today you read
No.
and play
No.
and sing
No.
and dance.
No.
What do you want to do then?
Baby and Bubble.
Hey, stop that!
Effie, you want to eat something?
No. Oh.
Where's Layla?
Baby and Bubble.
No!
Let's play. Ow.
It is Monday. No, it's
Monday.
not. It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday.
It's your boy,
It's going
Sats B.
to be.
Yo, why are you echoing me? This is December 29th with my man Shaq B
Happy.
and Sats B.
Happy.
Call me on the...
Cell phone.
Late night?
Need my love.
Who wants your love?
Baby and Bubble.
Somebody else want any love?
Yeah, not for another camera.
Oh no.
I know you got a bling. Got my boots out. All right, yo. It is Tuesday, heading into work. It's been a long weekend, and my body needs to get into work mode. So I'm off to work today. Got a meeting at noon, and a meetup that I wanted to go check out tonight at 7. So let's see how the day works out. But I do have to pick up my dry cleaning from like, I think almost 2 months ago. So she's probably freaking out that my stuff is sitting in her closet for months. So I'm gonna go pick that up. Other than that, off to work. All dressed for the weather. Are you dressed?
Yeah, for the weather.
Oh, where's she gone? She's not here anymore.
Can you not see me at all?
No.
Oh, are you gonna clean that car before you go?
No, they didn't take this at 8 when I woke up to put it out there.
Freaking guys. Maybe can you move it?
To where?
Actually, then it'll get all wet.
That's why I put it there.
All right then.
Unbelievable.
I'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, bye.
Bye. Ooh, look at the streets. Welcome to Canadian living, people. This is what it's like 5 months out of the year. Oh, got my gloves. Wait. Whew, let's see. Tim Hortons. Downtown, picked up my dry cleaning. I didn't realize when I picked it up that, man, it was been there since October 2015, and I just picked it up December 2028. And she was like, usually I charge the storage fees. I'm like, I know, but usually nobody drops off like $300 worth of dry cleaning. So come on, Happy New Year. Winter, the snow, it's raining, people are in jackets and umbrellas and jogging. See you, man. Why is there footprints all over the place? Like walking in from there to here to strange. Nobody's here.
Hi.
Will you please tell her
Hi, Daddy.
that I really
Hi, buddy.
and
How was your day?
she might want to go to Las
Wait,
Vegas.
where are you at?
My hat's over there.
Here it is.
There's my hat.
I'm here, dude.
You gonna wear it? There, this way. This way. Let me see you. Oh my goodness, you look so cute.
I can get your hat.
No, I said he speaks Uzbek. She does.
Oh, where's my hat?
Well, yeah, you all right?
What's all these octonauts doing on the couch? Cover your mouth, cover your mouth. Do you have medicine?
Yes.
Good. Home sweet home. I'm gonna try hit the gym today. 2 days in a row, see if I can make it happen. But other than that, I'm gonna hang out with the kids. I think I'm gonna cut the vlog short today. I'm tired. Long day, I've been up since 6 a.m. Maybe it's a good night.